Sue, I want to show you something. I'm going to have this site that will remove the background and make something transparent. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, depending on what it is. So we're going to use this game over here. It's on a white background, and so it's going to come out pretty fast. But if it's on a color background, it would still pick up the game over versus what the background is. So this is what I usually start with, and then I post it and see what it looks like and then start cleaning it up. But it's going to take this up, and then it's going to, it all looks the same here. And all you have to do is hit touch up like that. Again, because it's a white background, oh, the E's completely gone. So let's go back, undo. Well, you know what? All I have to do, okay, I'll show you this. Okay, the E is gone over here, right? And so hit a plus sign and you want to put it back in. All you have to do is this. And see how it put it back in over here? And if you want, also, we can go ahead and add this extra in all around it. See that? Put that in. See this little area right here? You can do that if you want to. Do the same thing here. Like that. Now you have the whole game over. So, for instance, we're going to see this right here. We're going to make that a little bit bigger. And so all you do is take this like that and see how now this part of it comes in. Okay, the same thing down here. Take the green. The green means add something back in, minus is take something back out. But we want this little bit in here. Come down here, you see this little indentation right there, the yellow line? We're going to make it come out more, like that. See what happens here? Okay, now we're going to, let's straighten. Let's do this a little bit cleaner. What is this? Okay, let's push this out a little bit more, like that. See right there? We're going to now take our minus, watch, and let's straighten this portion of it out. So what you want to do is go on the outside. Instead of pushing it out, you're pushing it in. So what do we want to do? You know what? We could actually bring that down. Let's go back to the green. We can actually bring that down some and get that darkness. See what that looks like. Okay, see right here? Let's bring this down more. A little bit more. There, straight line. Okay. Oh, okay, good. See how that did it? I brought the green line pushing this yellow line down, and it will look a lot better. What else do we need to do? That looks okay, that looks okay, that looks okay. Actually, that's pretty clean. So you have to sign in to do this. I'm already signed in, I think. So when you're signed in, all you have to do move this over so you can see. Hit finish down here, like that. and then you're going to download, and you're going to download as a PNG, which is your transparent. You're going to hit that. And it downloaded over here. Let me move this back so you can see what I'm doing. It hit over here. I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to say show in folder because I want to see where it is and make sure. Okay, it is in my downloads. Game over in black and red, and it's burned. When it says it's burned, it means that it took the outside out and made it into a transparent, or what I asked for it to be. So anyway, that is it.
Both gates are unlocked.
Oh, okay.
I'm presuming you'll come today because they can't mow with everything wet.
Yeah.
So